So this is the LG PuriCare Dehumidifier. So this is a Wi-Fi unit. This way you can control it with your Wi-Fi through your cell phone. First of all, it just looks good, will fit in any room and match any decor without standing out like a big old clunky machine. It has the capacity of 1.7 gallons, tank volume of 13.3 pints, but of course it has the drainage line that you could drain into your trap or other drain option. So super sleek black case, efficiently quiet at 48 dBA. It's portable, you can dry your space effectively. It's got nice wheels, handles on the sides, and it has all the safety features available on the market. So it has a new bucket design, that completely clear side loading 1.7 gallon bucket, easy visibility to the water level, and what's good about it is splash free with a full width grip handle provided, and it's clean and simple emptying solutions, which is very convenient. Of course, auto shut off valve and alarm preventing floods. It's packed with a lot of features, 2 fan speeds, 12-hour timer. It's a 2019 Energy Star qualification, saves you energy and money. And it also has a smart thin Q compatible. Use with your smartphone to stop your dehumidifier, monitor bucket capacity, and gives alerts when full. Connect with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant for voice controls. What more can you want from an efficient, reliable dehumidifier from a brand like LG?